Over Doc. They'll save your spot in the food line. They might even let you go first. Doc, I've enjoyed our time together. I appreciate the job that you've done. One thing's sure and for certain that everybody here can vouch that when it comes time to work, that's right. 100% is. I appreciate that. So does the city of Montgomery. This is your certificate of retirement, and it reads for more than 11 years. I got to push this further away from me because I'm getting older. You have been a tremendous benefit to the City of Montgomery Inspections Department and of great service to our city by making a difference in the well-being and quality of life for many of our citizens. You demonstrate exemplary skills and accomplish great success in your career. I commend you for your service and contributions to the City of Montgomery. Best wishes for an enjoyable retirement. May God bless. Signed by the Honorable Mayor Todd Strange.
Yes.
And then we have the watch.
Mine's broke.
You didn't need to know.
Yeah, no.
You don't be able to tell no time after that. You don't want to know what time it is.
It's Saturday every day except Sunday.
There you go.
That worked pretty good, though.
That's right. Put it on.
Get you adjusted.
Yes, goodness.
You got two. Kind of looks like you got your badge on you.
Time starts right now.
We'll set this aside, but y'all ready?
Yes.
Let's pray. Is there a minister in the house other than this one? I figured. All right. Which one?
Go ahead, Reverend.
You want me to eat first or pray?
We want you hungry. That shortens it up a bit, though.
Pastor Austin. Yeah, Russell. Probably thank you for this day that you've given us. We thank you for our friend and brother, Nathaniel Bracy, and the service that he has rendered to the city and to the United States of America. I've been to so many of these retirements with him. We thank you for him. We thank you for his family, his friends here. We pray that you continue to bless him. We pray that you strengthen him throughout his life on this day. We pray for the food that we're about to receive. In Christ's name, bless it.
Amen. Amen. Well, y'all know this fair, but this is how you do it at Dr. Bracy's retirement celebration.
Oh, yeah, that's going on.
I heard that there's smoke.
And we're going to sit down and get ready to eat, y'all. So I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.
Barbara, stand out there. This is my daughter, Barbara.
Okay, brother. How you doing?
Doc's going to his own yard.
I'm in the yard.
A lot of things y'all don't know.
All these years.
When we were in the parade.
What parade?
When we were in Dr. King parade. Dr. King parade when we were out of town.
Yeah.
She was sitting in the thing.
Who went to Jim?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, excuse me. How you doing?
I don't need to listen. I got on stage this morning.
She was in his Jeep. She was in the Jeep.
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
Oh, right.
What you get him?
Me and him worked together. We were on the inmate first. So we did it in honor of him. I got it all over. I borrowed it from the police department down there.
Yeah, you got loud. I hear you. How you doing?
I said I thought I put some ice in the cup, but I didn't.
Got those two in the party, baby.
That's right.
Hey, pour me some Coke in here when you get over here.
How y'all been doing?
I'm doing good. Doing good.
Smoke come here right in the window.
Yes.
I know, close window right.
That's what a smoke rally do.
So what now?
Just rally.
No, close window right.
And this valve, this is how you do it. And we'll talk to all of you guys later. And we're going to enjoy the celebration with Doc Bracy. Bye-bye now.
Exactly. See, I took my car. It's my car. I never took it out of my name. So, you know, I'm not paying that.